It's a lovely day at Costco, my friends, but especially great today because the coupon book for March dropped this morning. I got here as soon as they raised those gates because there are a lot. I repeat, a lot of great deals on Bobby approved items in here. So big, in fact, I'm going to break this into a two-parter. So let's walk around Costco like we always do, show you what's on sale, but more importantly, show you how to read the ingredients on the back so you're putting the best quality stuff in your body and your family's body. Before we do our shopping, I do also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive is the longest supporter at 7 years on my channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you'd find at any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper and the box comes to your door. You don't even have to leave your house if you don't want to. My link down below gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. And I typed out a list of my favorite Thrive Market food items and personal care items and put them in the description box, so check them out. Once again, 30% off using my link and a free gift. Less talking, more shopping. Let's go. My friends, do you see what I see? A nationwide sale on Bobby approved best in class chosen foods avocado oil mayonnaise. It's already a great deal. It's about 50% cheaper than most grocery stores, but when it's on sale like that, it's getting close to bring out the Hellmann's and bring out the best, because this down there, Leilani's like, no, Bobby, don't do that. This is 16 cents an ounce. The chosen is 20 cents an ounce. This is literally made with one of the worst oils on the planet, GMO highly processed soybean oil with sugar, natural flavors, and something called calcium disodium EDTA. It's a preservative and its main job is to mask rancid flavors. No, you put this back. What is this made with? Not soybean oil, best in class anti-inflammatory avocado oils, organic eggs and regular egg yolks, but it's non-GMO certified and it has no sugar, no BS, no preservatives. I love this stuff. We go through a ridiculous amount of mayonnaise in the house. This, at that price, load up because it lasts until 8/21/2024. Hip hip hooray. My friends, if you like oats for breakfast, this is a great deal. This is Mush overnight oats. It's Bobby approved and you're never gonna see a deal like this at any other store. 8 of these for $7. Why is this great? Because it's an overnight dairy-free oat. Look at the ingredients. First of all, the oats on here are certified glyphosate free. Very important for grains like oats and wheat. But it's dairy free and creamy because of coconut milk. How about the blueberry one? Most blueberries that are dried are covered in sugar and sunflower oil. This is sweetened with apple juice concentrate. It has real vanilla. The only sweetener is also dates. Unbelievable ingredients. If you want a quick, easy breakfast on the go that's Bobby approved, score. There aren't many sausages on the market that are Bobby approved, but how about a grass-fed beef one for $4.50 off? First of all, how much would it cost if you wanted to buy grass-fed ground beef? $4.50 at the lowest end to $7. This is $5.77 a pound for 100% grass-fed, grass-finished Polish sausages made of beef. More importantly, always look at the other ingredients or scan it with the Bobby approved app. This one is perfect because there's no cane sugar, there's no mystery meat, lips and buttholes, there's no added sugar, nothing. And bonus, actually, the casing on this is not made of pork. I believe it's a chicken or beef collagen casing. These are great. You just throw it on the grill. You get a massive 12 grams of protein. It's low carb, it's keto, and at that price, that is seriously good savings. Our good friend Milton's Pizza is on sale. And this is not, I repeat, not Bobby approved, but it's a better for you option and probably one of the best ones compared to all the frozen pizzas here. Why? Well, first of all, look at the deal. You get a two huge 18-ounce, oh, go ahead, you're fine. Don't worry about it. You're good. That one? No, you don't want it. She's so funny. She's come up to us 5 times today, all throughout the store, asking if this is good or bad, if it's poison. She's awesome, I love her. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. 2 of these big pizzas for $10.49. Why is it not Bobby approved? Well, actually, the only thing that makes it not approved is the fact that the cheese or the dairy is not organic or non-GMO. The other ingredients are great. Cauliflower, a little bit of tapioca starch, vegetables, tomato sauce. There's a little bit of sugar in here, but a quarter of the pizza only has 1 gram of added sugar. That's totally fine. Go ahead. You're all good. Don't think it's low carb. Just because it's cauliflower, it still has a decent amount of carbs because of the starch in here. But if you're looking for the better for you option here at Costco, I think this beats any regular pizza, and to get that kind of savings, winning. The gluten-free one, that one just has a ton of starches and corn flours. Yeah, here you go. Put it right here. See, look, you got this. She has the mayonnaise from before. You let me know. Next time you need a product, you come to me. I am the guy on YouTube. Yes. Yes. A crazy day here at Costco. All right, friends, that is it for part 1 of what's on sale here at Costco. Tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, I'll drop part 2. I'm going to finish some shopping. Also, check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. 30% off your first order, a free gift, and I typed out a list of my favorite Thrive Market items and put them down below in the description box, both food and personal care items. They have great deals and they're all Bobby approved. But from Costco, I will see you tomorrow